Hey guys, Brandon from Metro Hobbies here, and today I'm taking you through some new releases that we've got in. So we've got some releases from Authentic Collectibles, Acme and Autoart. So I'll take you through the Authentic Collectibles first. So here we've got David Reynolds and Anton De Pasquale's ZB Commodores in the camo livery from the Townsville 400. These cars look so cool. Really nice with the camo, it's quite different. Would go really well with if you've got the 888 cars that they did in the camo livery, and I think they also did an XE Falcon a few years back in the camo livery. So yeah, if you've got those, they're awesome, or if you're just fans of David Reynolds and Anton De Pasquale, these look awesome. So they are sealed body resin cars, but as always with Authentic Collectibles, the detail is just phenomenal. So really nice resin cars. So if you're fans of either of them, I'd highly suggest getting those. They are quite limited. So yeah, once they're gone, they will be gone. So next we've got from Acme, we've got a couple of ramp trucks. So these are really cool. I really like that we've got one from kind of each manufacturer. So we've got the Ford F350 in the FoMoCo or Ford Motor Company parts livery. We've also got the Chevy C30 in the white with the used cars. So if you've just got, I don't know, anything would work on the back of that, where this, you might want to stick some Fords on. Being that it's used cars, you can chuck kind of anything on there. And then we've got the AAR Dodge A300, sorry, not A300, D300. And that's really cool with the orange, red and yellow stripes. Looks so awesome. So that'd go really well if you've got the Cuda that matches it. So that's kind of what it's made for, but you can always chuck whatever you want on there. So they're awesome to have, 3 1/18 scale Ram trucks. They do have little clips that go in here to hold the cars on, but I just haven't popped them on for the moment. Next, by Minichamps, we've got this. This is so cool. So it's 43rd scale Range Rover from the 82 Papua New Guinea rally. That is so cool. The detail in it, my goodness, for 43rd scale, it's crazy. So this is the dirty version, but it's so cool. It's limited to 504 pieces, so they are quite limited, but this is part of their almost real range. So yeah, it's awesome, and it comes with a cool little display as well. So you've got tyre tracks on there, description of the car, and then what number of the edition it is. So that is a really nice piece. Kind of my pick of the bunch would be the Autoart Pagani Huayra BC. So this here, it's in silver, but you might think brighter colours with Paganis, but the interior is what does it for me on this one. So you've got this beautiful red. It's sewn so well with the silver. So much detail in there. So the front and the back do open on this, but you've got a little tool that unscrews it and pops it open. So I won't do that for the moment. But yeah, it's all opening. It is their composite range. So it's not die cast, but I really like their composite range because the detail they can get in it is just ridiculous. It's so nice that once it's in the cabinet, you're not going to notice it's a bit lighter than the die-cast one. But yeah, it's so nice. Highly recommend it. So if you're a Supercar fan or a Pagani fan, that is a model I would definitely go for. So nice. The silver with the red and the carbon work on it as well is really nice. So heaps of detail in that. We do have stock of all of these at the moment. So if you do want them, I'd suggest getting in quick because some of them are a fair bit more limited than the others. So yeah, these are our new releases for now. Tune in next time, but any of this is available in store or online, so come and see us. See you later.